How to speed up Windows 11 performance. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the ways that you can speed up your performance of Windows 11. So what you can do is, first things first, you can head over to settings and then you can go to Windows Update on the left hand side, and then you can update your Windows. Tap on check for updates and update your Windows to the latest version. So this will automatically improve the performance. Next, what you can do is go to system and then head over to power and battery. And then once you are there, uh, you can go to power mode, tap on the drop down, and then you can see plugged in and on battery. Make sure that is set to best performance. So once you've done that, come back and head over to storage. Then you can see that there are a lot of temporary files taking up space. You can go to it and then you can delete the files you don't need, because too much storage will also cause a Windows 11 to slow down. So make sure that you delete temporary files or the apps that you don't use, the mail and documents that you don't need, and it will automatically speed up your Windows 11 performance. So if it helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.